lose the spirit line.
Just step on this side.
Lisa, the water looks good on you. Hey? The water looks good on you. Thank you.
We headed down the peninsula along our beautiful coastline. On the way, we towed a manta trawl as part of Kate Radd's microplastic sampling research. We took some water samples and then filtered them into tubes to be analysed. We also dropped the Bruv, a baited remote underwater video system. This was recovered towards the end of the trip, and you can see the recording on this video. After the recent rough sea, it was a little murky, but our ocean is definitely alive. Do you see the slimy hagfish? They look similar to eels, but they're actually not closely related at all. This group of fish lacks jaws. Instead, they have pairs of dental plates that they use to grip their prey. They use their body to twist and turn as they endeavour their prey. Their slime makes them very hard to get a grip of and warns off predators.
So we never know what we're going to get. This is quite a cool spot because there is a lot of transient fish species coming into the bay, and they kind of tuck into these shallow waters, especially this time of year. We get those warm water currents coming in, and you never know what you might see.